Guys, a Geeky Chick here. Today we are unboxing the March 2020 YumeTwins subscription box. YumeTwins is a monthly all things kawaii subscription service. Each month you get 5 items ranging from plushies, squishies, practical goods, kawaii stationery, and more. March's theme was spring cleaning, which I'm excited about. Thank you to YumeTwins for sending me this box to review. There'll be a link in the description for more information and for you guys to sign up. Before I go over what's inside, I want to say thank you to our first Patreon and Geeky Squad member, Fiorella. You guys can become an official member of the Geeky Squad too and support the channel by subscribing to our Patreon. Lots of perks like this shout out, your name in the credits of every video, exclusive videos just for the Geeky Squad that are available on my Patreon, and monthly downloads. Alright, so let's talk about what was inside the box. I always get a lot of questions, people saying, how do you get cute things and kawaii things and unique items for your desk and your Instagram pictures? And it's things like this. I love shopping blind boxes, mystery boxes, surprise items, and it's just because you get fun little items that you would never think to go and buy for yourself. And this one, kawaii themed, so that makes it even better. And that is going to be items from Japan. So obviously, a girl in Texas, a lot of this stuff I'm never going to see. But so the mini Sumiko Garashi dustbin is probably my favorite. The little mini trash bin, I probably won't necessarily put trash in mine. It'll probably be just little things on my desk that I need, but I don't want them just sitting out causing clutter. I love the apron. I think it is so cute, and I don't cook a lot. My husband cooks more, but I was thinking I would use my apron for more of like outdoor work, working with my plants or something in the yard. Another one of my favorites from this box was the Sanrio screen cleaner, and I got Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. She's so cute, and as you guys know, I have a tough time keeping my Nintendo Switch Lite screen clean, so I am definitely going to be using my screen cleaner for that. I got the Hello Melody sponge, the Sanrio character sponge. So adorable, but I am not going to be using my sponge to clean, and I will literally hurt my husband if I see him scrubbing the tub with my Hello Kitty Sanrio Melody, my Melody sponge. I'm gonna be using that as just something to sit on my desk or something to sit on my shelf because I think it's adorable. Now, this one I will be using for its purpose is the air freshener because it smelled so good. I believe it was like a lavender scent. As soon as I opened up the package, I was like, oh my gosh, this smells so good. I will be putting that in my car, and then when it doesn't smell as much, then I'll either put it in a drawer because I like, air fresheners in my drawers, or I'll just have it as just a little knick-knack around my room. But overall, I am very happy. I can't say that any of these items I was disappointed in, and I have had subscription boxes where it was hit or miss, but I was completely happy with all of these items. I can't wait to see what they have. I'm gonna go on their website, and I'll probably try to look up some more pictures on Instagram just to see what are the other things that you could get in the box. Like I said, there will be a link in the description, and I'll also have probably the same video on my Instagram with some hashtags that you guys can probably use to find out more about these boxes. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.